Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your computer class. So, in previous class, I explained you about some components of logo window. I explained you till the command input box and the recall list box. And today I will explain you about some logo terms in which I have already explained about the turtle. As you all can see here in this picture, this triangle shaped object is called the turtle. Okay, it obeys only logo command. So whatever command we give in logo, so this turtle followed the instructions. It has two parts. The pointed top is called the head and the bottom of the turtle is called the tail. Okay, now come to the next topic, which is primitives. Okay, so what are primitives? Logo commands are known as primitive. So for writing program in logo, we need to give some commands. Okay, there are some specific keywords that we use for giving command or that we use to move the turtle on the screen. As you all knows that in logo we can draw pictures, we can do calculation and we can print text. So first we will discuss that how we can draw different kinds of shapes in logo. So for this you need to understand about some logo commands. First, I will explain you these points. The logo command are known as primitives. They instruct the logo turtle to draw on the screen. So using these commands, we can instruct the turtle to draw anything on the screen. The turtle obeys the primitives when we press enter key. So basically when you press enter key or whenever you click the run button, so the given instruction or the written code it executed and it shows the output on the screen. While typing the primitive, always leave a blank space between the primitive and the number of steps. So I will show you practically while writing or while giving the primitive. You should leave a blank space between the primitive and the number of steps. As you after writing the primitive, we have to specify number of steps. Like if you want to move the turtle 50 steps, then after command you should leave some space. I will show you how. We can type the primitive in capital or small letters. It is not case sensitive, means there will be no effect either you are writing in a small letter or you are writing in capital letter. It works same. So for example, forward to BK, left, right, etc. These all are some logo primitives or some logo commands. Forward, BK, left, right, and many more are there. Okay. Next, what is a program? So when we write primitives one after another, so the set of primitive is known as program. Whenever we give a set of instructions or set of command, it is called a program. Okay. Now the important or the main part of the chapter is writing logo commands. So how we have to start writing commands in logo? So to type command in logo, click on the command input box. I explained you earlier in this chapter that the bottom window of logo screen is called the command input box in which we write command. And to execute the command, we press the enter key. The command goes into computer's memory and gets executed whenever you press enter key. Okay. Okay, so now let's talk about the forward command or the forward primitive. As you all can see here, it's a turtle. Okay, so if you want to move turtle in forward direction from its head, okay, it move from the position of its head. Like suppose agar head is in this direction, the head is, then forward command will be upwards. Okay, and if the head is downside, then the forward command will be downwards. Okay, so I will show you this graph. From this you can understand. See, just look at this structure here. You can see this side is called the right side, this is called the left side. Okay, this is upwards and this is downwards or backward. Okay, and for moving turtle you can use RT45 or LT45, LT135 or RT135 to move the head of turtle in these directions. Okay. Okay, now coming back to the forward primitive. Okay, so look here. Forward primitive, you can type forward, or in short you can type FD command, and then press the space bar key, type number of steps and press enter key to execute. So how we can give the forward command? First we write FD, then we leave one space, then we enter number of steps and then we press enter. Okay, now I will show you in logo how this command works. Okay, so I'm going to open the logo screen. I'm minimizing it. This is the shortcut for logo. I'm clicking here. Okay, this is our logo window. Okay, so for this is the command input box. Okay, so I'm writing forward command. You can see the head of the turtle in is here and this is the tail of the turtle. So I'm using forward command, so it should go in forward direction from its head. Okay, so what we can write? F D and then space and then number of steps. Okay, I'm writing 100. Okay, I'm writing 150 steps. It's up to you how much you want to move the turtle, how many steps you want to move the turtle. And now I'm pressing the enter key. You can also click on this execute button. You can see the turtle has moved 150 steps in forward direction. Okay, again if I will use the forward command FD and space 100, so again it will move 100 steps in the same forward direction because the head of the turtle is in the same direction. Okay, I didn't change the direction of turtle's head. Okay, so it's moving in the same direction. Okay, this is how you can use the forward command. Okay, after forward command or forward primitive, the next primitive is the back primitive. The back primitive move the turtle backward by the given number of steps. Okay, so look at the head of the turtle. It using back command you can move it backward. Okay, or you can move it in backward direction. You can write back, in short you can write it's BK. Okay, so for using the backward command, same format you have to follow, BK and then space and then number of steps and then press enter key. So I'm going to show you here. Okay, now I'm using the backward command BK and then leave one space and specify number of steps and just see, now it moves in the backward direction, it moves downwards. Okay, and if I will use FD command, so you can see I'm writing FD 200 and I'm pressing enter, so you can see it moves in the forward direction. Okay, so this is the difference between forward and backward primitive. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Okay class, now I will show you how you can change the direction of turtle's head. Okay, because I want to show you how you can draw a square. Okay, so for changing the directions of turtle head you should use the RT command with angle. Like if you use 45 degree, then it will move the turtle heads like this. If you will use RT 90, then it will move the turtle head like this. Okay, in the same way you can move its head to the left side also. Okay, so for bringing turtle in its original position, use home command. Okay, and press enter. This is the original position. Now I'm using LT command, LT45. You can see it moved to left side. Okay, LT90. This is how. Okay, so I hope the use of home command, RT